if you have an Android phone, then what you can do is you can link your phone and PC. So to do that, first of all, you need to open up the phone companion app. So to do that, I'm going to click on the start menu right here and type in phone so that you have the your phone app access, as you can see. Once you click like this, and if it is your first time starting up the application, then you will see this. It'll say use your Android phone from your PC. So let's get started right here. So once you do that, you can, first of all, what you also need to make sure is you need to have the phone companion application installed on your Android device. So I'm just going to go around over here and I'm going to say I have the phone companion and link to Windows app when ready. So I'm just going to go around right here. And then I'm just going to go around and pair it with a QR code right here, just like this. So now, once I do that, what happens is that I'll have to use the QR code on my phone right here and scan this out with the phone companion app. So as soon as I do that, what happens is that it gets paired out. So from my phone, I have already scanned that out. So I'm just going to press done right here. And then what happens is that it finishes up things right here. So you have to go around and then follow out the process on your app as well and allow all the permissions. So, and this will take a bit of time. And once that's done, what happens is that it'll actually go around and set up all things. And all the things will be set up. So it says you're all set. So you can click on continue right here. So you can pin the app to taskbar as well. So let's just do that right here and pin everything out to taskbar, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around, and here it says select a task to start exploring. Let's just skip that out. And over here, you can see all your messages right here. You can also see your notifications and even your photos, your recent photos right here and so forth, and even your call details, as you can see right here. And that is how you can link up your phone with the phone companion app inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.